Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? This video is very important for new holders. If you are new holders, and absolutely if you invest my other Bittorrent coin and Bittorrent coin for a short time, so this very important video for you. So kindly must watch, and absolutely my brother, absolutely this is for long time investor also, because in this video I will predicate this coin. So let's see my brother. Everybody need to know this now. My brother, first of all, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. I will give you 100% guarantee to you will never lost if you subscribe this channel. My brother, Bittorrent will completely end the profit in last 1 month. My brother, in July this coin will give you a very good profit. 15.63% they are profit, and the price 0.003076 USD dollar. The half month my brother this coin will fails down, but after that my brother you can see here the coin will completely blooms up and moving in upward direction. So that's a really great news for all of you my brothers to Bittorrent will give you a profit, and absolutely the average come to positive now. Congratulations. With this video my friend, I will tell you my brothers to in upcoming time in August can they will moving upward or not. Let's see my brother. First of all, this chart is clearly show you my brothers to in upcoming time can they will moving upward or not. So let's see my brother. I need to my friend predicate here now. So this time as you can see here, line 1 touch the highest point, line 2 touch the lowest point. So this time my brother you can see here they will moving in this circulation to after a dump, after a jump my friend, you can see here they will pumps. So at the last point as you can see here the arrows is moving in upward direction, so that's clear to upcoming time Bittorrent will moving upward now. So if you know my brothers to the Bittorrent will moving upward, so you need my brothers to invest more and hold now. If you hold, so remember my brothers to upcoming times they will give you more and more profit. So why you miss this chance? Please take a risk and get a profit. I hope my brother in upcoming time they will make you a millionaire now. So why you miss this chance? Especially short term investor, if you already invest now, so that's a really good now because my brother if you just only wait for the end of month. So I hope this time the price is very cheap, but I hope my brother in upcoming days they will give you 0.1 USD dollar. So 0.1 is a very huge task my brother. If they will just complete this, so I know too they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, Bittorrent holder. Hope you understand something new. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box, and please like video and subscribe this channel for more stuff informative and urgent updates videos.